So this is Flor de Leysa, Boss Mion. Bisaya ning dako. Dagway nimo murag goy Ginoo ko Maria. Asa may imong gibuhat? What are you doing here in my YouTube channel? For my attention to you. So just wait. I will post you in my YouTube channel, also in my Facebook, so that they can see what you are writing in my channel or in my Facebook here. Okay? So what is your attention? If you're chatting under the Prince Hamdan Faza, you stay where you are. Don't cross in my channel, okay? You don't have right to write any bad comments because I didn't know you. Did you see what you have written? Ikaw pakaulaw na ka mga Pinay, lahat na laki wala ka ilan nimo. In English, you shame to all Filipino woman. The man didn't know you. Ha 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 ha. This is the translations in English. So okay. So what you have written? You only crazy with him. So meaning this woman have chatting to under the name of Prince Hamdan Faza. So she said, only you dreaming with him. Please stop assuming, ma'am, you hurt yourself. And then she said, ambot nimo, gulang man unta ka, ang laki wala ka maibog nimo. So in English, I don't know. You are old. You are old. The man didn't care for you, didn't like you. This is the translations of her message he write in this comment in Cebu. This is a Cebuano. So okay. So she said, tell her she won't regret it. So this woman have a chat. She have chatting to Prince Hamdan Faza. So tell her she won't regret it. That chat, Mr. Prince Hamdan. Are you okay? Why I chat your Faza? I have chatting my Faza also. Okay? Since December 11, 2022. I have done everything. I want to slap it to you if you are in front of me. Okay? Ito pa oh. Ha naong nimo sayaan ako. So what are you doing here in my YouTube channel? Okay? Why you cross in my YouTube channel? So wait, I posted your comment in my YouTube channel so that you don't forget what you are doing here in my YouTube channel. So ito pa oh. Kuya wagod nimo day ayaw lag assuming ha. So si Shid. Kuya wagod nimo day ayaw lag assuming ha. So talagang kuyaw day, ingat ka day. You must be careful. Once the Prince Faza I have chatting since December 11 and until now, if he's the real prince, make sure, mark my words. I want to see you in front of me for what you have seeing right now. Okay? So, ingon siya oh, sabi niya oh, oy, ngano man ikaw dapat maulaw sa imong self, dili ako. O bakit ako maulaw sa akong self? How I shame or how I shame myself. We have linked together in We Love Dubai 2 and Hamdan Faza 31 YouTube channel. He's the one attached that link. Okay? Are you blind or what? Or bandlag ka ba? Oh my God. So do you think that this kind of woman, if this is the, because I know that she is just chatting under the name of Prince Hamdan Faza. If this woman become a wife, oh my God, she's very dangerous. His attitude and manner is really bad. I'm telling you this one. Always remember, I have received so much message from under the name of Prince Hamdan Fasa. The only need is money, so I blocked them all except the Fasa I have chatting since December 11 until now, because he told me that he's not in social media because he's a very busy person. Okay, I'm telling you this one. So now another woman, I want to read her message. This is Cebuana. Okay, so what you have right, you are dreaming, mom. So this is my reply. All under his name pretend that Fasa. So what she said, only you dreaming with him. Please stop assuming men you hurt yourself to buy. It's your choice, mom. Continue assuming with him. So this is Filipina, this one. So mom Rose, Mr. Prince asking me you have Sanjay up. He call you, video call, stop your illusion with him. Now please, you destroying his image, Mom Rose. And who are you? I have complete papers since 2011, 2012, 2022. So, and who are you? If he's hurt about my post of who is this Fasa you have talking about, come to meet me personally in front of the police station. Okay, I want to show everything. Okay, you, who is this woman? I'm ready. I want to meet this your Fasa in the police station. Come the country where I am now. Okay, I want to show everything in the front of the police station. If who is this you're chatting, if he's the real prince, I'm asking you, ask that prince to come over me here. And we meet in the police station. I don't want to meet anywhere. I want to meet him in the police station. Okay? So I posted this in my YouTube channel so that the We Love Dubai 2 or We Love Dubai 1 or Hamdan Fast 31 can see this your comment what you have writing now, because that We Love Dubai 2 TikTok link, we are 4 members of that. Okay, do you think this is just now I am making this video? I have 1,000 videos over here in my YouTube channel and no one Fasa complaining on me. Even that YouTube channel I have now, always I made the screen video record, didn't complain anything about that. Okay, so you are Filipina, you are a Cebuano. I know so many members of that group in Facebook. I'm telling you.